are various settings that the outlet can use to actually modify their behavior or the information. So this is a page for the information. You can modify the registration code, the name, the outlet name, descriptions, address, and the filter and cuisine types. Moreover, you also can actually modify the opening hours of each day through this area here. So you can modify the day, when it starts, when it ends, and the last order timing. So if you do have to have a rest day, you can actually select this plus and enter the dates and start and end date. So you can also actually add a contact information for your contact email, contact phone, and the name as well. So all of these are information based. So the same goes for payout setting. So in payout setting, you just need to fill actually the name, or rather the bank name, the bank account name, the bank account number, and the bank account type. So all of this will facilitate in the payment to the particular F&B outlet. So the app settings will actually control the behavior of the outlets. So you can see this is for uploading the logo, and this is the place where you can actually modify the system settings. So the system settings include, let's say, the messages to the diners before or after submission, or any other messages that will be prompted. So you can also actually control the rounding, the table timeout, and the payment timeout. So all of these toggles can be used to actually affect the behavior of the outlet. So there's also the settings which include the toggle on and off of the main core modules like the OMM and the accompany settings that come with the OMM. So you also can actually affect the dining preferences as well. So there's dine-in, takeaway, pre-order, and reservations. So all of these each have their own set of toggles which you can actually modify. So if you like to disable dine-in, simply just turn off. If you like to disable the guest dine-in, just turn off as well. So there's also a few payment types that's available for this particular setting. So you can use mobile payment, bank payment, and counter payment. So if you do not wish to use any of this, simply just toggle off. So you also can actually process the order if the user is within the outlet by just setting the distance in which the user must be within the proximity of the restaurant in order to make an order. So all of these settings apply to dine-in, takeaway, pre-order, and reservation as well. So if we go up, we can also actually look at some of the operational settings like the tax and calculation setting. So this is actually how the calculation will look like when the formula discount, where you have the formula user discount, the formula item discount, the coupon discounts, the bill discounts, and the restaurant tax. So you also have the rounding rule, whether it's round up, round down, or round near. And you can select from a tax preset in order to actually facilitate your preferences. So you have your inclusive, exclusive, or no tax kind of a set presets. So the next thing you can look at is the table settings. So you can easily add new tables by pressing this green button and generate tables. Let's say you want to generate 5 tables and they start from 1, so it'll be 1 to 5. So this is enhanced faster speed kind of a generation for tables. So the next thing we can look at is the time zone settings. So the time zone settings will actually include some presets as well, like Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. So simply choose the one that is most correct to your current local settings. So the next thing you can do is the currency settings. So this currency settings will actually affect how the currency symbol will look like on the Diner app. So this will be appearing on the Diner app, and you can change it to actually fit your needs. So these are the kind of settings that will affect the restaurant's operations and behaviors and information. So this is the end.